Good morning, guys. We are off to the airport. Let's go. Alright guys, we have arrived here in our hotel in Colorado. These next couple weeks here are going to be pretty crazy, so I'm just going to kind of take you guys along through what we're going to be doing. Tomorrow we are going to be going on a hike, doing some different stuff, and then training starts back on Sunday. So hope y'all will enjoy the video. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow when we get ready to go for our hike. Time to get the first workout in here in Colorado Springs. Alright guys, session number 1 this morning went really well. The only thing is in the hotel gym I had to wear a mask. So for the evening session we were just going to be training in our hotel room. So we have a little bit of space here. Definitely a little bit smaller, but we're going to make it work. It's enough for me to do just kind of my freestyle round, just kind of just staying busy. So we're going to be doing that and just kind of see how I do without a mask on. So let's go and get session number 2 done. Alright guys, we just finished our morning workout. I did some cardio and some stretching. He did his legs. Right now we're about to check out of our hotel, and then we're going to be heading over to the zoo to kill some time before we check into our Airbnb a little bit later today. So we will see you guys at the zoo. Alright guys, we have checked into our Airbnb. The first few days here in Colorado have been pretty jam-packed, doing a lot of stuff, but the rest of our time here we're just going to be basically just hanging out, getting some training in, and just kind of chilling here. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Next week's video will have more training in it, and it will kind of explain a little bit more of what I'm doing here, so make sure you guys be on the lookout for that. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.